പ്രൊമോഷൻ പേടില്ല.
പ്രൊമോഷൻ ഇല്ല, സീരിയസ് ആണ്. ഫോട്ടോ
ഇവിടുത്തെ
ഓയിന് അതിക്ക് മേലെ താങ്ങി
ഇവിടുത്തെ
ഐഫോണല്ല ഇനിയും പോട്ടാലേ പോകുന്നത്.
ഇവിടുത്തെ ഐഫോൺ 11 വാട്ടർ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ വിട്ടു.
ബൈക്കിലെ ഫോക്കസ് തപ്പി
என்ன நன்மை செஞ்சு don't worry, even if it fall doesn't nothing அழுவுமே.
விளங்குதா? No?
சரிதானே?
Right on the topic. நல்ல இன்ட்ரெஸ்டான பாடம், கஷ்டமான பாடம். இவனை கன்ஃபார்ம் கேட்கணும். Okay. So guys, trigonometry actually you know the study of trigonometry was begun when in the 1500s, okay, in the 1500s, you know, maybe around 1200 to 1500. So that was during the golden age of Islam, okay. So these people started to actually look at they were studying astronomy. For astronomy, these Muslims needed a lot of tools, okay. They need trigonometry. So guys, the foundation, you know, most of the foundations like algebra and trigonometry were founded during the Abbasid Khilafat. Did you understand what I'm saying? So it was all begun during the Khilafat of Abbasids. Makes sense? So guys, trigonometry was beginning that time, and algebra was not found actually. You know, they used actually, you know, Ibn Musa al-Khawarizmi was known as the father of algebra. Right, and the word algebra itself is coming from the Arabic word al-jabr. So, and guys, similarly, trigonometry was also kind of a branch of study of triangles. It's a study of triangles. You know, that was very much useful in the field of astronomy. Understand what I'm saying? And guys, you know, using a particular angle, you can find the height. Angle which height are you know. So let's say you have a tall building like this. Let's say you have a tall building. Let's say you have a tall building. Let's say you have a tall building. So guys, you know, from the ground, if you know the angle, let's say theta, you can find the height. Makes sense, right? But you need two things. One is the length from where you measure, and the angle. If you know that, you know, you can easily find it. So guys, how to find the angle? Angle what you do is you will have a small PVC tube like this, and you will have a protractor like this. That's what I'm saying. So sir, what you do is from this point you drop a small thread, piece of a thread. இப்போ நீங்க என்ன செய்வீங்க சொன்னாக்க இவரை மார்க் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க 0 degrees, 1 degree, 2 degree. Understand what I'm saying? When you incline this, what will happen is இவர் வந்து இப்படி போறது. Maybe you will have what? You will have the angle. Did you understand what I'm saying? From 0 there will be an angle theta. Is that clear? So if you construct the geometry properly, now you can draw a line, horizontal line like this. That's what I'm saying. You can draw a horizontal line. If this is theta, students, this angle will be 90 minus theta. Understand what I'm saying? Students, this is also 90, so therefore this also becomes theta. That's clear. So right, you can easily find the angle using these sort of a small measurement. So students, what you have is, now let's say you want to find the height of that building. Okay, so if you want to find the height of that building, what you do is you take a small instrument like this. Or PVC tube and then since you have a protractor here, you mark this as 0. Understand what I'm saying? Horizontal line value is 0. Understand what I'm saying? But you will have this sort of setup. Is that clear? We get 20 degrees for there again. Let's say your angle was 20 degrees. If this angle is 20, students, right? If you get 20, sorry, mark down 0, 1, 2, 3. You understand what I'm saying? You get 21. So guys, if this is 20 degrees, now look at this. Now this is a 90 degree. No, this is a 90 degree. Therefore, this will be equal to how much? 70. Understand what I'm saying? So now this is also 90. No. Therefore, students, this will be 20. Understand what I'm saying? So guys, what is this? This is the angle made with the horizontal. Angle made with the horizontal is 20. You understand what I'm saying? So you have the angle. In the angle you can find the height. That's the idea of trigonometry. Understand what I'm saying? Building even if it is a planet, the story is the same. Understand what I'm saying? Even if it is a planet, you can still do the math. So trigonometry is a very powerful subject. Advanced level math question half an hour question trigonometry is a very powerful subject, right? இங்கே triangle விளங்கினதுக்கு இங்கே triangle பார்க்க விளங்குது. ஆனா A level போறோம்னா triangle எல்லாம் இல்ல விளங்கல. triangle இருக்குது. sin rule cos rule நான் triangle பார்க்கல. ஆனா சில identities prove பண்ணக்குள்ள we never look at the triangle. understand? Right? triangle வரைஞ்சி A மாத்தல நான் இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு A level ஏ மல. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு කෙලින්ම apply කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு you know two angles, using those two angles you do a lot of math. Are you guys good here? So guys, what's the beauty of trigonometry? Now look. Students, now we all have studied a section called equiangular triangles. So students, tell me, what did we study in equiangular triangle? If this angle was 30, if this angle is 40, this side is equal, let's say 3 centimeters. Let's say this side is equal to 7 centimeters and this side is equal to 8 centimeters. Students, you have another triangle like this. Let's say this is 30. Let's say this angle here is 40. Let's say this angle, of course, something else. Let's say this side here is 14 or something maybe. Not 40. Let's say this is 14. This is 14. Right? So students, let's say you have to find x. Students, can you find x and y? Quickly find x and y. Right, so we have studied the section of equiangular triangles. In that you have something like this. You can find the value of x and y. Find x and y. You have seen the video. single medium English. Tamil medium. ඉවල කලේ ආරුවත පාරාටන්නේ. කඩුවල කියලා එක්ස. එතනද දැන්? එරියද? අපි කරන්නේ ඒක. We didn't know. මෙහෙම පාඩ අවු මේ කරාවකින් එහෙම තියෙන්නේ. And what is x? 16, yeah. How much is y? 6, no? Area. I gave it in the area. Right. I put on version area. Lengths are proportional. Your person area, you draw. Let that go. Right. So guys, in an equiangular triangle, the lengths are proportional. So I now tell me, are these two triangles equiangular? Yes, no. How do you know that? This angle is how much? 30. This angle is how much? 40. This angle is how much? 30. This is 40, right? So guys, what can you say? If either angle come, so in the side come, the 30 opposite in the side go relationship put it. They are all proportional. Understand what I am saying? The middle one may have 14, may have 7. So guys, these is opposite to this angle. These is opposite to what? This angle. Is that clear? So guys, these two lengths are proportional. Because if these 7, this has double too. This has double. Therefore, students, if this is 3, the angle opposite to 30 should be 6. Double of that. Makes sense? Is that clear? So this should be equal to how much? 60. Is that clear? How to find that, students? How to find that? Now you can say what? Opposite of this is 7. 7 divided by opposite of this angle is 14. 7 over 14. 7 over 14 must be equal to. Must be equal to what? Opposite to 40 is how much? 8. Opposite to 40 is how much? X. தலக்கீழ போடேலமா தலக்கீழ போடேல இது இப்படி மாத்தி போடேலமா அப்படி போடேல அப்படி போட்டா 4 வரும் can't if you change this then you have to change this. Understand what I am saying? Now what I am saying is 7 over 8 you have to consider 7 over 14. No. If you consider 7 over 14 you will have to consider what? 8 over x. If you consider 14 over 7 you will have to consider x over 8. Understand what I am saying? So 7 over 14 equal to 8 over x. That is also equal to what? 3 over y. So here you have what? Half. So half is equal to 8 over x multiplied by, you can do the math. X is equal to 60. Now look at this guy and this guy. Half is again equal to 3 over y. Take this y up, 2 up. So y will be equal to 2 times 3 equal to how much? 6. This is the concept of what? This is the concept of equiangular triangles. Is that clear? So guys, let's do one more problem. Now okay, fine. So guys, let's say now you have a small triangle like this. Let's say this angle is theta, this angle is 90. So you have what? A right angle triangle. Am I right? So you have a right angle triangle. So guys, let's say this is 4 centimeters here. Let's say this is 3 centimeters here. Let's say this guy is 5 centimeters here. Now students, you have a huge building, okay? Building. With the same angle theta here. With the same angle theta here. Right? So guys, let's say now the distance from here to here is, let's say this distance here is, let's say 400 meters, 400 meters, or some other building. Let's say Burj Khalifa or whatever. Understand what I'm saying? So guys, there is a person standing here. Find the length x and find the length y. Pretty fine. It's a building, okay? This is a huge building. This is a building. First of all, then are these two equiangular? How are the angles equal? All three angles should be equal. Is all three angles equal? This is 90. Two angles are equal. Three angles equal. Two angles are equal. One theta, on 90, on 90. Are you sure? If this is 20, this is 90. Altogether 110. Yeah, what will be the third angle? 20 plus 90 is 110. This will be 70. 20 plus 90, how much is this? 70. Equiangle, understand what I am saying? So one angle, in a right angle triangle, if you have one angle equal, they are both sides, the sides they are equiangular, therefore sides will be proportional. Will be. Understand what I am saying? waiting, they do work on one of the they have come to my car. profession No, singer. English singer.
That's why you're asking today.
Yeah. Come here, I say. This guy is alone. Yata out on now. Yata out on now. You know, this time back. Ask it. ஏசுது மனசோட தானே அப்படித்தானே மீடியம் கட்டியிருந்தா இங்கே உடனே சிங்கரிக்கிற பாடம் தீரது அப்படிங்கிற வருஷம் India on the artist life, India on the art, Leonardo da Vinci, they contribute a lot to science. Da Vinci life, may come to go to science. Mountain. Savani, after no. After no, Karangan, Kang, Kalki, Padang, and the Monari Proina. Sir, history no would have contributed. Dr. Badi says arts and sciences. Arts and science of the days of your religion is. Sorry, illa. Done? 300? will have it in centimeters. After again convert to meters. Scale diagrams.
Huh? That is 12 So what are the
Realize it? ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗುಣ right good everyone look okay now students now look at this guys look at everyone drop your pens right button okay students let's say you have a right angle triangle. Okay, you have what? Nice. You have a nice right angle triangle. Is that clear? Guys, tell me an angle, any angle that you like. Let's say you have 20 degrees. Is that clear? You have 20 degrees. Students, let's say you have one more triangle. Let's say you have one more triangle. You draw a line with an angle of 20 degrees. Okay, let's say you draw an angle with 20 degrees and this is perpendicular. So now tell me, are these two triangles equiangular? Yes, no. How do you know that? If this is 20, if this is 90, for sure this must be 70. Why? 70 plus 20 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. So here also it's 70. Understand what I am saying? If all three angles are equal, then you call it as what? An equiangular triangle. Understand what I am saying? That's why you don't have A as a condition for congruency. This is not congruent. What is this then? These are equiangular. What is the speciality of this? In the length one, if the length is let's say 2 and let's say the length is 3, right? So guys, do you understand that the length is being increased by a factor of 1.5? 2 or 1.5 वाला multiply करना करें 3 वाला 13 वाला बंद की ना दे इतना वाला हमारे मेथड तो मेथड length का 4 ना what should be the length here? 4 multiplied by 1.5. Is that clear? How much will that be? 5, 7, 6 no hello. 1.5 multiplied by 6 is equal to how much? 6, right? 4 no. 4 is equal to 6. Is that clear? Right. So students, let's say this length here is let's say 11 centimeters. If this is no, this can't be 11 because 2 for hypotenuse. Right. Let's say this is 3. Then how much will this length be? How much? 6? 9? 4.5. 3 multiplied by 1.5. Decimal multiplication. No simple things. 3 into 5 is 15. 1 remains. 3 into 1 is what? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. There is 1 decimal place. Place that decimal. 4.5. Understood now what? Okay. Right. So as let's say you have one more triangle. Let's say you have one more triangle. So let's say tell me an angle 70. Okay, let's say this is 70, right? So let's say this is 60. 70 plus 60 is how much? 150. No. Why didn't you come yesterday? Is that? Every Saturday morning you have to come. Otherwise you will have to be waking up at 6 a.m. Okay? Understand? So everyone is going to solve because of you. Okay? It's first row. You have to be on Saturday every day. You are missing. Okay? Last time also you missed. I studied right?
Last time.
Didn't come no? Because I didn't keep the last one. Last week I didn't keep the last one. Last Saturday, no. In the line there. Right, look. So if this is 70, if this is 60, how much is this? How much is this?
180, 160,
How I know that. How much? 40 or 50? 50. Let's not put it, okay? Let's not put it. Inner triangle. Yeah, let's say this is 70. Right, nice. So So let's say this is 70. Let's say this is 70. Let's say this is 50. Guys, first things first. Now, are these two triangles equiangular? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are these, now we have 70 here, 70 here, 60 and 50 here. Are these two triangles equiangular? Yes or no?
Yes.
How is it? Equiangular, Salman? Not the equiangular. Equiangular. Are these two equiangular? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right. Let's find the other angle. 70, 60. How much is this? 50, 70. How much is this? Are these two equiangular? Yes. They are both equiangular. Why? All three angles are equal. If all three angles are equal, then automatically they are what? Equiangular. Let's say this is 4, 5, and let's say this is 6. Okay? So side opposite to 50 is how much? 6. 50 to opposite is 6. Let's say you make it 9. So guys, by what? Okay, let's not make 6. So 6 has become how much? 18. So what have I done? I have, it's been multiplied by 3. Understand what I am saying? So guys, ఇప్పుడు ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ వాడిందా 18 సెంటీమీటర్ అని మన మీటర్ యాకారి ఫీట్ అని మన ఫీట్ దాం ఫీట్ దగ్గర నది అందాం దగ్గర నది అందాం మన కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అని ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నారు సర్ నో సో గైస్ look on 6 meter has become how much? 18 meters. So student, now if this was 5 meters, side opposite to 70 is 5 meters, then side opposite to 70 will be how much? 15. Is that clear? Is that clear? I have to know what opposite is 12. Very good. Understood or what? Easy. Okay. So this is the idea of what? Equiangular triangles. Students, now tell me, is this triangle and this triangle, are they equiangular? Yes or no? Yes. If this is theta, 20 போட்டு பாருங்க 20 போட்டா 70 20 போட்டா 70 30 போடுங்க 30 போட்டா 30 90 வேற 40 இல்ல 40 இல்ல 60 60 no right 60 no and if it is 30 then 60 30 60 understand what I am saying 90 is of course the same. They are what? They are both equiangular. So what can you say about the lengths? Are the lengths proportional? Yes. Namana 4 eka illa denne kaadu 400 means what? 40,000 centimeters. So is that clear? So it's been multiplied by how much? 10,000. Is that clear? So 3 centimeter also will become what? 30,000 centimeter, which means 300 meters. Is that clear? Is that clear? So what will y be? How much will y be? How much? 500 meters. Guys, anybody have any questions? Are you sure? Is everybody okay here? Okay, guys, look at this. Give on. Guys, how many of you guys have a compass with you? Nah, oh nanny. Okay. So guys, do one thing. What you have to do is, when you compass gatta, you have to draw straight line segment like this. Okay, any straight line segment. Haridan, any straight line segment. Haridan, summa random line over. If you don't have a compass, take a protractor. And protractor taking 30 degree mark. 30 degree mark. Done now? Right, fine. So mark 30 degrees here. Okay. Then from any point, drop a perpendicular. Over length side length side centimeter. Understand what I am saying?
We should do grade 11
construction करत का माने मला करला मी हरियर आणली नो मला no I don't have that. Okay guys, construct 30 degree. Okay, construct 30 degree. Construct 30. Okay, construct. Okay, enough. What are you doing? Did you draw? It's not perpendicular, okay? It's not perpendicular, see? Being inclined. Right? I say. Do sound then I say. Hari level kuch level ले लेता है level ले लेता है तुला प्रेशर पड़ने मॉडल इतना हो रही है ना कनेक्ट करते हैं लाइक बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट constructed. Yesterday we discussed past papers and all, okay? Online around the past paper in the folder. Theory what come today 2 hours no. You have drawn 60. No? So what should you do? If you take the length too much, you have drawn. Is it? Have you bisected this? Yes, right. Now measure this length and divide by this length. Measure the length x and y and find x over y. Find x, y using a foot rule. Height ayo, hypotenuse ayo, foot rule and length measure panni. Then divide panni. Find x over, okay? Find the length x and y. Divide x by y. Charlie, what are they? Huh? What are they? Explain the way or x much do you get? 3.6. The other one will be 7.2. How much are you getting, Hamza? How much? How much was the height? Hansi? How much? 3.6. And the other one will be 7.2. How much? How much are you getting? 7.2 actually it should be. 4.709, no wrong. 4.7, if it is 4.7, it should be 9.4. If it is 4.6, then 9.2. If it is 4.5 only, then 9. Check. More kare hoga na? Sahi hota hai? More kare hoga? 3.8. Matte varu modu 6.3, 7.6 or 7.1. Then you will get 7.1. The other one, it's not 3.6, it might be 3.55. In between, take it as 3.55. You get 4.5. 9, correct? No? 3.5. Then the other one is 7. So, illa 7.5? No, wrong. X4, Y8. Done. Good. Guys.
Sir, did you do cycling coordination? No.
Guys, look. Guys, everybody would have got the ratio XOY equal to half. Is that clear? Yeah? Was that so? So guys, Sorry, I will. Done. Come on. Listen, guys. Everyone listen. Everyone listen to this very, very carefully. Okay? So, guys, now look at this. Everybody would have got half as the x over y. Again, if this is 1, this should have been 2. If this is 3, this should have been 6. If this is 5, 10. 3, 6. 3.5, 7. 4.4, 8.8. Makes sense. So, at the end, everybody got half. In other words, you would have got 0.5000. There are 0.5 can 0.5000. Is that clear? Is everybody okay here? Yeah. So guys, why do you get that? Everybody. Now guys, now do you all understand that everybody, do you all understand that everybody, even though the sizes of the triangles are different, you all have what? Equiangular triangles. Do you understand what I am saying? அப்ப உங்களுக்கு இப்ப பெரிய பில்டிங் ஒன்று இருந்தாலும் இல்லாட்டி பெரிய என்ன இருந்தாலும் how large it is doesn't really matter. If the height is 500 and if the hypotenuse is 1000, then the angle would be always how much? 30 degrees. Is that clear? So guys, for 20 degrees you will get a different value. Is that clear? For 25 degrees you will get a different value. Makes sense? So what is that? That's the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse. Understand what I am saying? Opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Is that clear? So guys, opposite over hypotenuse. So guys, let's say opposite over hypotenuse. When the angle is 30 degrees. Is always how much? is always how much? Half. Or in other words, it's going to be equal to how much? 0.5. இப்படி இருந்தா கூட சும்மா அசிங்கமா opposite to height தான 30 தான பண்ணி no. So guys, what you do is you say sine, okay, sine of 30 degrees is equal to how much? 0.5 or half. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yeah, good. Guys, now let's do one more thing. Okay? Guys, no one have a mobile phone, right? Anybody have any calculator? Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, look. So guys, look at this. So guys, let's do one small fun exercise, okay? So guys, square root of 3 is equal to 1.732. Square root of 3 is how much? 1.732. I am going to divide this by 2, so I will get 0.86. Another 0.86. So guys, now let's do one thing. So guys, let's try to construct a triangle like this. First of all, try to make 90 here. Okay? First of all, try to make how much? 90. Line segment on the line segment on the 90 construct sir. So now mark this in a way that you get 8.6. Is that clear? 8.6 mark பண்ணுங்க சரியா? அதுக்கு போறோம் keep your compass here and take the length as 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters எடுத்து இங்க இருந்து ஒரு ஆர்க் போடுவீங்க. ஆர்க் போட்டு இவரை ஜாயின் பண்ணி இந்த ஆங்கிளை மெஷர் பண்ணி பாருங்க எத்தனை வருது. Did you understand what I am saying? First of all, draw a line. From this point, construct a perpendicular, right? In a way that you have this sort of a triangle. 8.6, 10. Okay? Construct this sort of a triangle. Ten வரும்போது தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு வர இடம் போதும் தெரியும். Okay, fine. This is 8.6, right? It should be. Now what you do is from here method indala menu gahana 10.6. அப்ப இந்த length 10 வருது. 10 okay? 10. இந்த ஸ்டைல் ஆக்க போடுங்க. இல்லாட்டி வராது. இந்த ஸ்டைல் ஆக்க போடுங்க. 10. Good. Join பண்ணிட்டு அங்குள்ள ஆங்கிள் மெஷர் பண்ணி பாருங்க. You will get 6 meters or maybe 59 point something. How much? 59.99. Is this what you got? It's amazing, isn't it? Sorry? That's it. ಅದು 8.6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮೆತ್ತನಿಂದ 10 ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮೇಲೆ 10 8.6 ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ
Sir, art is above 8.6.
Sorry?
Art is above 8.6.
You keep your needle here and then mark it. Then it will cut there, then the length will take. Otherwise you cannot do that. Here or there? So which is your 8.6? Is that was that your 8.6? Is that 8.6? Height. Oh. It is in the length or in the full length? Wasn't it nice? Something is happening, right? Something weird is happening, but you don't understand what it is. Isn't that so?
Automatically coming.
You are done. You are done. Sorry, length is not here. What's the angle? Can I have a factor? So factor. How much on this? 59.9 or maybe 60 approximately. How much? 59 point? Not 50, then the lengths are wrong. Sure. Should be 8.6. Height is 8.6 and the length is 10.
9.96.
Exactly. Indian ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಗೋಡೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋರ್ಡಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ வெட்டி ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ 8.6 ಆಯ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅದ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಶಾಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆ ಸ್ವರೋಣ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ತುಂಗರಲ್ಲ
ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು
ಸೋಂಬೇರಿ ಯಾವಲ್ಲ ಇಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ என்ன என்ன ஆகுது ಹಾಕೊಂಡ How much did you get? 59.9 approximately. Jasmine, no? No? Shalimar, what are 59 hours? No, 40 minutes wrong. Check the lengths again. Really? 8.6 and 10. Check again. It might not be. ऐसा हो जाए हाँ ऐसा हो जाए 57 length साले check कर 8.6 इधर height बोल Guys, look. Guys, look. The idea is very simple. Give bar. Done. It's been in the length idea. One that in length was wrong, right? Length was wrong, right? Yeah, you would get around 60, approximately 59.96. Just, yeah, it's going to be 59.96. So again, listen, guys. Look. Everybody look. Pen and pencil la money board, fun look. So now, do you guys understand that you all were drawing this and you were experimentally you are trying to understand that how okay it's 59.96 or it's 60 degrees. Understand what I'm saying? But students, when I gave the problem, I just asked you to mark the lengths. I didn't check the angle. I don't have a protractor on my hand. But just by looking at the lengths, I was able to tell the angle. Was that clear? So guys, do you see something more deeply updated? Something is going on. Do you understand what I am saying? Is that clear? Look. Guys, everyone please look. Students, let's say you have a line. Why am I listen? So you have a length, okay? You have a length. From here, students, I will start to draw a length like this. Understand what I am saying? I can draw. So students, this will form some height h. Is that clear? Some height h. And guys, then you will have a small distance r. Is that clear? And guys, you will have some angle theta. Can you understand what I am saying? So guys, the argument is very simple. If your angle was, let's say, 2 degrees, then the opposite over hypotenuse is always a constant value. Is that clear? Right? Doesn't matter how large the triangle is, doesn't matter how small the triangle is, the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse is a constant. Is that clear? So what's the value of that constant? Take out your textbooks. In the textbook, go to the last page. You have something called natural science. Natural science. Don't look at natural logarithms. Natural science. Go to natural science. 2 degree and 0. 2 degree and 0. How much is that? 2 and 0. 0.0349. Am I right? That's what I mean. So guys, opposite over hypotenuse will give you this sort of an angle. So now, slowly go to 30 degrees. Sine 30. How much is that? 0. That is exactly what we got earlier. Makes sense. So, this is magic killer. Killer board ring life. Buddhu bond, Buddhu bond. Don't talk. Let's talk later. No, I'll give you a commission later. Fine. Very good. Okay. Guys, so what mathematician did was, mathematician kara mara ke liya kara, mara kar liya. Look. They took a look at this. I want you to pay attention. Okay? I want every single one of you to pay attention. I want you all to pay 100% attention. What mathematician did was, they had a XY Cartesian plane. They had an XY Cartesian plane. XY Cartesian plane. They took 1 centimeter. Is that clear? They took what? 1 centimeter. They took 1 centimeter and drew a quarter circle. Is that clear? Right? Take out the compass and draw a Cartesian plane. Let's make it as 1 centimeter, or maybe if you find 1 centimeter is quite difficult, let's make it 10 centimeters. Then the values will be easy. Let's draw a quarter circle with 10 centimeters. Now. Why Abdullah is missing, no? Let's draw a quarter circle. A level lege tani karma diye ne trigonometry ya palaweni mass tunna gadari patta atal ye O level lege mokut man naru namut paadama amma gar you can't draw like that make it whatever adeni part draw loose who quickly, okay? That's his 11. Take 10. Yeah, without it, Lara Sari Nation Panda. Draw a quarter circle. Draw a quarter circle. चलेगा I'll let you know. Just draw a quarter circle. You know, we could have drawn 1 centimeter, but 1 centimeter would not provide us a very good, you know, the error will be large. I'll tell you what we are going to do. Yeah. Is it 10 centimeters? The radius is 10. It's not 10. If it's not 10, then you would get the answer, but you know, your simplification would be very complicated. Done. Did you get your wait. Measure the length. Measure the length whether it's don't know whether it's 10. Sure. Hurry up. Why? Done? Boys are done. Yeah. Was it 10? Yes. Great. Awesome. Super. How is it? Come down? Yes. Good. The above part is no problem. That's okay. Just leave it off. So it's okay. It's alright. No worries. Hurry up. One thing. Yeah. Hurry. No worry. Get a come. Where are we? You are done, right? Is it 10? You measure it? Perfect, right? Guys, shh. Guys, those who have sketched this, okay, those who have sketched this, do one thing. You select any length, any point. வேண்டிய point mark பண்ணணும் சார். இங்கனைக்கு mark பண்ணாலும் சரி, இங்கனைக்கு mark பண்ணாலும் சரி, இங்கனைக்கு mark பண்ணாலும் சரி. எங்கனைக்கு வேணாலும் mark பண்ணலாம். A point. Anywhere you like on the horizontal line. Anywhere. Okay, done? Great, awesome. Guys, I'll tell you why we selected 10, okay? I will tell you why we selected 10. I'll tell you, okay? Did you mark a point? Awesome. Wait. Mark somewhere around here. You are okay, you are okay. You are also. You mark somewhere closer. You mark here. This means you mark point somewhere around here. You mark somewhere around here. You mark right at the center. Yeah. You mark somewhere around. Guys, everybody have. Look. So guys, you all have marked the points which I mentioned to you guys, right? Yes, good. Now guys, keep your compass at the point that I asked you to mark. From that, put an arc and construct the 90. Just construct the 90. Just construct the 90. Construct the 90. 90 construct करा हर construct करा लो तब तक बैठे करा construct the 90 quickly. Mathematicians did a superb job on this. They just nailed it. Huh? I don't have an ambition. Okay, great, awesome. Shh. Guys, look. Now, students. Your perpendicular is intersecting somewhere on this circle, on this quarter circle. Now join these 2 points. So you will get a nice right angle triangle over here. Alright? Do you? Yeah? Sorry? You got it, right?
It's like this.
Yeah. So where is it cutting?
This part.
Right, great, awesome, that's right. Perfect. Join button. Nice. Join dot solid line है तो join करा dot line. Hey guys. No, not yet. No. Guys, now do you all agree? Shh. Guys, everybody, look. Everybody look. Guys, now even though you have marked like this, several people have different drawing, but even though that's the case, do you all agree? Your hypotenuse is now 10 centimeters. Yeah. Okay, right? So now take the protractor and measure this angle. In the angle, horizontal order in the angle. So measure the angle. This is your triangle. So this is your angle. What is your 10 and what is your 10? This is 10, this wouldn't be 10. 9 point. So this is your hypotenuse. This is 9. Because you have construct the perpendicular. How much was the angle? From here to here, okay? Where you kept was correct. Here. Right, so it's around 45 or maybe 40. Around 40. Yeah, what was the angle? Angle is over side. Let's say this angle is theta. Write on your angle theta. Theta equal to.
It's a very different from
Yeah, you have a different angle. You have a different angle. Everybody has different angles.
7
You got 27 point. Put the exact angle. You got 80 degrees. Perfect 80. Cool. How much? Kitna was the angle? How much was the angle? Perfect 45. Great. Awesome. You got 50. Good. So guys, now you got the angle. Put this angle and guys measure the height. Measure the height. Measure the height.
76.
Measure the height. Everybody measure the height and put your h. Put your h. Put your h. Put your h. There's the h. Measure. Measure your height. Measure your height. You also have a height 8.9. Measure. How much was the height? That's fine.
76 and 9.
How much?
76
9.6. Good. 55 and 8. You got 8.7. 4.6. Good. Okay. Good. Everybody okay? How much? 9.9. Oh, it would be 9.9. Then your angle is how much? 80? 80 degrees. So it wouldn't be 9.9 maybe. It would be little lesser than that, but fine. Whatever you get, just whatever you get. No worries. No? Okay, do something. Many in there. In the box, I'm thinking otherwise, it will come. No problem. Hold it. Right, good. Shh, guys, how much was the h? 8, right? So, opposite over hypotenuse is going to be what? 8 over 10.8. Is that clear? Yeah? Your angle is 55. Your opposite over hypotenuse is 0.8. Is that clear? So, you can put opposite over hypotenuse equal to 0.8. And how much was your height? 9.6. So then your opposite over hypotenuse is 9.6 divided by 10, which is equal to 0.96. Is that clear? Or decimal place, what was your height? 7.2 divided by 10, it's going to be 0.72. So the reason we selected 10 is because the division is easy. Is that clear? How much your height? 9.6. How long? What was the angle? Okay, fine. 9.6, right? Divide 9.6 by 10, 0.96. Put that value, 0.96. How much? 8.7. 8.7 divided by 10 is 0.87. Opposite to hypotenuse is 0.87. 5.4 divided by hypotenuse is going to be 0.54. Opposite to hypotenuse is 0.54. Is that clear? How much you got? 4.6. So 4.6 divided by 10 is 0.46. How much you got? 9.7. 8.7. 8.7 divided by 10 is 0.8700. Okay? तेरा मन क्या दे? अटाई दशम हाथ दाएं में जो हम दशम हाथ अटाई आता ही नहीं. वो आगे की दाए? 9.6. 9.6 divided by 10 is equal to 0.96. How is it? Opposite. Guys, did you divide your opposite by hypotenuse? Yes. What was your angle? Angle. 55. Go to the table, take out the table and find sine 55. How much sine 55? 0.8192. What was the value you got for opposite to hypotenuse? 0.8000. Fine. Small, maybe a little bit of simplification, but otherwise these two values would perfectly match. Abdullah, what was your angle? What was 76
76 degrees.
degrees. Okay, fine. Go find sine 76 degrees.
0.9703.
0.903. What was your value?
0.9600.
0.9600. Cool. Awesome. Oh guys, are you all concentrating? Are you all seeing the beauty here? No. No. Look at the beauty, okay? I mean, look. So guys, you know what Zaid got was, Zaid got his height to be 8 centimeters. So 8 divided by 10 was 0.8. And sine 55 turns out to be 0.8192. So look at this, they are like pretty much over. But if we had been drawn a perfect diagram, I mean if the measurements were perfect enough, then these two values would match. He would get 0.8192, perfect. And Abdullah got 99.66 centimeters. So when you divide this by hypotenuse 10, he got 0.96, right? And sine 96 was 0.9703. Is that clear? If he had been drawn it perfectly, then he would have got what? 0.9703. That's what I think. Mahdi, what was the angle? 45 degrees. What is sine 45 degrees? 0.7071. That's all. What was your value?
0.720.
0.7200. Guys, do you see that? You know, it's kind of matching. Are you all following me? First of all, are you guys following me? There are the maker. There are the. Haya, what was your value? What was the angle? 72. Right. Go to the sine table and find sine 72 degrees. 0.9511. What was your value? 0.96. Perfect. 96 means 9600, right? Guys, you know, if she had been drawn it perfectly, she would have got the value. Sir, what was your value? What's your angle? 60 degrees. How much is sine 60? .866, right? 660. Yeah, what was your value? 0.87. You see that? You see that? Where did you get it? Hamza? 32 degrees, right? So how much was sine 32? Look at. 0.5299. Yeah. So what was the value you got? 0.54. Sine 27. How much was sine 27 from the table? 4540. What was your value? 0.46. Then one key. The Manda values 81.80, 9796, 9596, 8687, 7072. They are pretty much the close, right? You know, you guys, you know what a selling in the Kawakata Variola, Punjabi, light out, so those are the mistakes you would have done. Understand what I'm saying? If you didn't have those kind of issues, you know, your values would be perfectly matching. So what mathematician did was, they drew a 1 centimeter circle and they calculated all the angles. Make sense? And all angles same path or bukka vasna thandiga. Right? Sarva 60 degrees. Sine hataki how much? 0.8660. What was the value you got? 87. Shalimam? 75. Sine 75. How much was that? 0.9? 9655. 9. What is it? That's the 9. Guys, you know, what do you think about this? It's awesome, isn't it? So guys, if the length was 20, then the height would have been double. If the length had been 5 centimeters, then this should be split by half. If the length was 1 this was the error innum good. 10 ചുറ്റി പിടി ഇതേ നിങ്ങൾ 1000 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ സർക്കിൾ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ then your error will reduce because you are going to the fourth decimal place now. Understand what I am saying? So in A level physics, of course, if you do physics, you will start to learn about measuring instruments and the least count and the errors in an instrument. Make sense? So these are all errors. Order 8.6 க்கும் 8.7 க்கும் நடுவுல ஒரு வேல்யூ இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கல. ஏனா 8.62 அப்படிங்கறது கெஸ் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறது ஏன் ஸ்கேல்ஸ்ல மார்க் பண்ணில்லே. Understand what I am saying? So if you had been given a vernier caliper, then things would have been fine. You will learn, okay? You will learn. If you do physics, you will learn. Understand what I am saying? Right? Hari, the trigonometry එක අදහස මේක තමයි. හරිද? Guys, do you have any questions? No? So guys, now let me ask you a question. What do you mean by sin theta? What do you mean by sin theta? Sin theta means you have a right angle triangle with theta angle and the opposite, the length of the opposite divided by the hypotenuse will give you sin theta. And if theta is 20 degrees, it's always how much? 0.4 something. You get what I'm saying? If it has been 30 degrees, it's always 0.5. Is that clear? Right? இப்போ இது இன்னொரு ஆத்தலி என்னது? Not only opposite to hypotenuse students, even adjacent to hypotenuse is a constant. That is called what? Cos. Understand what I'm saying? Right? So you have what? Sin, you have what? Cos. There are one no. You have one more. Opposite to adjacent is what? Tan. எப்படி கஷ்டமே இது யாரு சொல்லி கஷ்டம் look. So so sin is opposite to hypotenuse, cos is adjacent to hypotenuse, tan is opposite to adjacent. තේරුම් ගියද කතාව සරලයි තේරුම් ගියද පාඩම ආතල් හරිද තේරුම් ගියද right guys, anybody having any questions? No. Right, good. Look. No. Beautiful, right? Right, it's a look. So guys, for you guys, we draw a quarter circle. A level quarter circle nahi aate. Intermediate full circle nahi aate. So they will have y over x. So y over distance. That's what I'm saying. Ingetu vandana x is negative no. So cos becomes negative, sin becomes positive. Here cos is negative karna hai there namagille sin is positive, cos is positive, tan is positive for you. All understand what I'm saying? Aderu nada tavulanda. Okay, guys, good. Look. Let's say this is 20 degrees. Let's say this is 20 meters. Find h. Takkala h find balanu. Itna ganni irabodha. Find h. This is 90, okay? Here මෙච්චර වෙලා concentrate කරපුන්ට තේරෙයි. හරිද? concentrate කරන්නේ නැතුව අපොස් තාන. රුසියයි 90. එහෙම හිතුවනම් නෑ. එහෙම කරන්නද? දෙනවා කියන්නේ. හරි ලබන පන්තියට එනවම මේක බලනවා. හරි මේක බලලා sin 20 ගියාම උඩට ගිහිල්ලා එනවා. දැන් මම කියන්නේ කොහොමද මේක ලොජික් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකට මම කියන්නේ ආයෙ ලොජික් එක කරන්නේත් නැහැ. හොඳේ. ඔච්චර. height. Find a I want you to find the height. I don't know. Maybe. क्योंकि बहुत पंक्ति देहात गुना फिर आई है मैं सत्या से सत्गुना फिर आई तो बार में तरह लोग बार for 2-3 weeks you will have to find solutions and இப்படி ஒரு தான் இன்னொரு triangle that இப்படி இன்னொரு triangle வந்து ஏகி height homogeneous கிராஸ்
Our sir, we missed it in one day.
Sir, our school
3 periods.
Right. So what can you say? Look. Sine of 20 degrees. What do you mean by sine of 20 degrees? Opposite over hypotenuse 20. This is the formula. No? What is sine 20? Yeah, table लेके mathematicians से एक और आता वीडियो मोबाइल दिला दिए. देखो मैं ये केविन में substitute करा. How much is that? Sine 20. 0.3420 equal to h over 20. Now what should you do? First multiply. No? 0.3420 multiplied by 20 will be equal to h. So 0 into 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 0 is 0. 0, 0, 4, 8, 6, 0. How many decimal places? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 point meters per meter. Those who got this. Great. Awesome. Oh, awesome. Very good. Sorry? What is it? Applause to you. Great. Good job. Okay, let's do one more. See how? Guys, find x. Find x. What you are doing, you have heard what single medium people tell. No. Wait a minute. What single median tell for this is, they say something like this, okay? Sakka baka sabar. They say sammukha paadipatiyam karane, baddha paadipatiyam karane, sammukha paadipatiyam baddha paadipatiyam. Mana sindhuak la yene. Sakka baka sabar. Stand right. Guys, do you all know Snell's law? N1 sin I equal to N2 sin R in science. Unar aim මොකක් හරි ඉගෙන ගත්තා ඉතින් වගේ මතකයි. The refractive, the incidence angle of reflection, refraction and sin I over sin R. Yeah, you have studied, right? Yeah. I'll let Shamam know I have got trigonometry, so he will teach you if he has not done. He said, I'll inform you.
Ten
10,000?
thousand.
Nice. ಹೌದು ಮಂದಂಗನೆ ಮುನ್ನದ ಕರೆಗತ್ತೆ వెరది is this the hypotenuse side तो sin दान में बैलेंस
Sir, sign time is sir, ten.
हां tan theta equal to opposite to opposite to
Then we get 4 divided by 0.
you will get a 0 point value
Times 10,000. Like that.
not 10,000 no you just keep it as it is, okay, don't use dumb can all complicate one. I could have given this one and this as unknown.
In school, they thought like multiply by 10,000.
10,000 more than multiply.
As I have 4 divided by 0.
Yeah. If you multiply, then you will get a nice fraction. Fine. Tanata ukkarandi ante po nakna lokpai chirandi ante. Tanata ukkarandi ante po. Modiya. Mari English lo padali. Right. Guys, how much was the tan 30? 1 over root 3, right? Sorry. Come. It's 1 over root 3. We'll see how it is. Right? Yeah. What was your value? 0.5774 equal to opposite over adjacent 4 over x. Is that clear? Take this x up, 5 down, so you'll have what? X is equal to 4 over 0.5774. Guys, if you want, you can find using logarithm, but for the moment, இப்போ இப்படி இருக்கும் சார் இப்போ வைப்போம் வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு செஞ்சுக்கலாம் logarithm homework. No. Yes, not by. Take out the textbooks. Yeah. Asiya. Guys, take exercise 18.2. Do problem number 1 and 2. Now, 1 all, 2 all. Yeah, now. Allow 18.2, 1 all and 2 all.
18.2.
Yeah. सही है तो अनुप्रो इलाकी में तीन साल ये माँ एक होता है ये होता है तो कर रहा हूँ सही है ना नहीं अच्छी बोल रहा हूँ मैं इंटर
Sir, like,
Diagram on pages.
for angle, no? Don't look at the table. You don't have to. Table पाकर table लाऊं. Values नहीं दिख रहा है side. एंगल काटने पाकर एंगल थीटा का नोटिस और इरेन काटने पाकर. एंगल काटने. एंगल क्या है? Sin थीटा का क्या है? थीटा के लिए. थीटा का एंगल. Sin थीटा एंगल. Opposite होगा hypotenuse. Angle calculate only the sine of the angle. Opposite to hypotenuse is shown. Right. Guys, what's the first one? Permission ना आया. उन्नाल के लिए मैंने सोल्व किया. So you have what? This angle is how much? Theta, no? Is this 3? 4, 3, 5, right? So first question is what? First things first, find sin theta. Theta वेगळा ना sin theta वेगळा ना? Sin theta. Angle नु क्या करना है? Angle పోట్టుకొని table పాతోని ఏమో ఉన్నా. Sin theta means what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side for this theta? 4. What is the hypotenuse? Our answer. Salman, you know that is. आगे देखिए. Then what is cos theta? Cos theta is how much, friends? Very good. 3 over 5. What is tan theta? What's right here? What does our lie? Nice. Coba muna tu bang. Nice. Sin alpha is 304 is 305. Yeah, hypotenuse. So hypotenuse like Right, tell. What is the next one? You have what? 3, 4, 5 again, no? Like this, right? Alpha, no? 3. Is that clear? Oh, you could look. So guys, what is sine of alpha? 3 over 4 in there, 5. What is cos alpha? 4 over 5. What is tan alpha? 3 over 4. Ah, nice. What is the next one? Mematiyenne. 5 and 5 and 5 root 2. Mematiyenne. This theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta equal to 1 over root 2. No? Sin theta equal to opposite 5 over 5 root 2 equal to what? 1 over root 2. Is that clear? Now students, this is 90 no? This is 90. This is 90 no? So guys, now these 5 no, so what type of triangle is this? Isosceles triangle. So what is theta? 45. Sin 45 is 1 over root 2. Tan 45 is 1. Go to tan table and look at tan 45, it will be 1. Opposite over adjacent. When I tan 45 equal how much? 1. Look at the tan table. So what is the next one? Cos theta. 5 over 5 root 2. Equal to what? 1 over root 2. Then මාරාතල දැන් ඔයාලා O level නේ. නම් ඉන්නේ O level එකනේ. හරි දැන් අපි කිව්වට දැන් තේරෙනවා මේ කනෙක්ෂන් එක හරියට තාම සෙට් වෙන්න නැති සින් එකක් තියෙන්නේ. ඒක O level එකනේ සෙට් වෙන්නේ නැහැ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් හරිද? හරි සෙට් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. කොච්චර try කරත් සෙට් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. නමුත් හරියට බලනවා නම් you have to understand. මොනවාද මේගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ? මෙතන එන්නේ equilateral triangle තමයි. දැන් මම කියන්නේ ඕන triangle එකට if it is a right angle triangle with one of the angle given, the ratio of the opposite over hypotenuse is a constant, opposite over adjacent is a constant, adjacent over hypotenuse is a constant. මේක තේරෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මම කියන්නේ තේරුණා නේද? So what is tan theta? 5 over 5 equal to what? Do the next one, the last one, the second one. If sin theta done. Wow. Sin of what type? Kosso Apollo dil. Good. Very good. ரெண்டாவது கேள்வி தனியா செய்யறது இட்ஸ் குட் திங். போட்ட மொளை அடக்குற மாதிரி என்ன break that. You find tan theta. You guys are done. All guys, boys may leave. Those are done maybe. You can't do it like so. 9 theta equals 5 over 30. It's wrong. I think wait and look at this and it's wrong. වැරදි නෑනේ. මේක හරි කියලා හිතනවා බලන්න.
I found the adjacent.
Good. That's right. You are right. You are good. What value is පිළමයි නේද? Sure is wrong. Very good. හොඳයි. එතෙන් approach එක භාෂා ප්‍රයෝග කරලා තියෙනවා. උත්තරවලින් අදිකෝ දෙන්නේ. You're almost there. Very close. Right, guys, tell me the problem. Is sin theta equal to 5 over 3? Yeah, find cosine tan. Yeah. என்னது? ஞானம். They are watching actually. You know, it wouldn't show the number of participants. Yeah, it select out of select. The one sending it. It's not cost theta. Okay. 12. You got 12. No. Right. So what should you firstly need to do is sin theta is equal to 5 over 13. So you have, of course, you have a right angle triangle. With this being 90, this is 5 means this is 13. Apply Pythagoras theorem to find the x. So x squared plus 5 squared equal to 13 squared. X squared equal to 169 minus 25. X squared equal to 144. X is equal to 12. Cos theta therefore is equal to 12 over 15. Tan theta equal to 5 over 12. Tan theta equal to 5 over 12. Yeah, those were this. Okay then, see you on, sorry?
Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday 5:30 to 8. 7:58. 7:58. எட்டு மணி முடிஞ்சாண்டா சொல்லுங்க.
Wednesday time மாத்துங்க.
Well, come at 5:30. Anyways, I'll post the time.
65,000.